Good morning student. Welcome back in maths class. Today we will start our topic place value and face value. So first of all, what is place value? Place means position. Okay. So what is place value? The place value of a digit in a number depends upon the place it occupies in a place value chart. Means whatever place is there, position is there of a digit, that will be its place value. Okay. Now face value. So what is face value? Face value like our face. Means face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself, regardless of its position in the number. Okay. Means whatever position in the number of the digit, the face value will be same, that never change. Like our face never change, that will remain same. If we go to our friend's house, anywhere we go, but our face will remain same. So the same way face value also remain same, it does not change. It is on any place, but it will remain same. Okay. So now we should start exercise 1.2. So in exercise 1.2, question number 1, find the face values and the place values of the colored digit in each of the following. Okay. Means in each question you should find the place value and face value of colored digit. I have taken here two parts, A and B, but you should solve all the parts. Every day you some student don't solve all parts. You should solve all the parts whatever given in the book. Okay. So now A part. Here is what's given here. There is 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what number is there? 3,68,574. Now you can see that 5 is colored there. Okay. So that means we have to find face value and place value of 5. So firstly we find its face value, then we find its place value. So now as I told you the definition, that face value never change, that remain same like our face. So the face value of 5 will be 5. It never change. Whatever face is there, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever face is there, face value will remain same. It will not change according to the places. Okay. So face value of 5 is 5. Okay. Now we find its place value. So what will be the place value of 5? So we will check its place, its position. So now we will see that 5 is on which place? Ones, tens, 100. 5 is on 100 place. So that means its place value will be in 100. So 5 multiplied by 100. So when 5 multiplied by 100, so it's become 500. So the place value of 5 is 500. Okay. Have you got it? Now it's B part. Now you will see that what is colored here? 7. The number is what? Again the number is 6 digit. So 7,12,645. So firstly face value. So face value is what? Face value remain same. Whatever face is there. So face of 7 is 7. So the face value of 7 is 7. Now place value of 7. So what is the place of 7? We will check from there. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 7 is on the lakhs place. So that means 7 multiplied by lakhs. 7 multiplied by 1 lakh. So 7 multiplied by 1 lakh, that's equals to 7 lakh. So the place value of 7 is 7 lakhs. So from there you get that place value depends on the place, on its position, and face value remains same. It does not change. Okay. Now after that, question number 7. Now question number 2. Find the place value of each digit in each of the following. Means you have to find place value of each digit. Okay. Each digit means every digit. You will not leave a single. For every digit you should find place value. Okay. So now first of all we should start from one side. Now firstly we will see that on the ones place we are having 1. So 1 ones. That means 1 multiply by 1. So 1 1 ja 1. Okay. Now on tens place what we have? 9. So 9 multiply by 10 because it is on tens place. So 9 multiply by 10, that's equals to 90. Okay. Now we find third is 100 place. So find 0 place value. So 0 multiply by 100. So 0 multiply by any number, then your answer will be 0. So the place value of 0 is 0. Next is 1. 1 is on which place? On 1000. So 1 multiply by 1000. So 1 multiply by 1000 is what? 1000. So we write here 1000. Okay. Next is 2. 2 is on which place? On 10,000. 2 is on 10,000. So 2 multiply by 10,000. So 2 multiply by 10,000 is 20,000. So the answer is 20,000. Next is 0. Again 0. 0 place value and face value always remain same. 0 place value will be also 0 and face value also 0. Because 0 multiply by any number, then you will get 0. Okay. So 0 is on lakhs place. So 0 multiply by lakhs. So it's become 0. Okay. Then next is only 0 has place value and face value always same. Then next is 3. 3 is on which place? On 10 lakhs. So 3 multiply by 10 lakhs. Okay. So 3 multiply by 10 lakhs equals to 30 lakhs. So write here 30 lakhs. Okay. So this is the place value of all digits. Like this you have to find place value of all digit. I will take B part also here. So we will solve B part also. So here is what? 6 crore 60 lakhs 89,645. So firstly we start from one side. So what is in ones place? 5. So 5 multiply by ones. Ones means 1. So that will be 5. We find 4 tens place. So 4 multiply by 10. 4 multiply by 10, 40. Now 6 is on which place? 100. So find 6 place value. So 6 multiply by 100. 6 multiply by 100. So it's become 600. If you want to put columns on the top, you can put column also. Like this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. But it is not necessary. If you want, you can take, and if you don't want, so it is not compulsory for all that you have to write the columns, because you are in 5th standard now. So if you are not writing column, that's also correct. Okay. So that's on your choice. If you want to write the columns, so you can write, and if you don't want, so there is no need. Okay, now we find 9 is on which place? On 1000. So now 9 multiply by 1000. So when 9 multiply by 1000, so it's become 9000. Okay. Now we go on the next digit. Next is 8. 8 is on which place? On 10,000. So 8 multiply by 10,000. So when 8 multiply by 10,000, so it's become 80,000. Okay. Now next is 0. 0 is on which place? On lakhs. So 0 can be on any place, but its place value will be 0. Place and face value both will be 0. So 0 multiply by 1 lakh. When 0 multiply by 1 lakh equals to 0. If you are taking 5 times 0, that's also 0. If you are taking 1 times 0, that's also 0. So no need to take here 5 times, 4 times. So you can write a single time 0. Okay. Next is 6. So 6 is on which place? On 10 lakhs. So 6 multiply by 10 lakhs. 6 multiply by 10 lakhs. So when 6 multiply by 10 lakhs, so it's become 60 lakhs. So 60 lakhs. Then next is 6. Now this 6 is on crore place. So 6 multiply by crore. 6 multiply by crore. So 6 multiply by crore, that's become 6 crore. Okay. So 6 crore. Now if you want to put here comma to separate the period, so in the place value also you can put the comma like this. I have put here. In this also you can put. In this also you can put like this. You can put the comma to separate the period. In place value also you can put the commas. In this one also like this. Here is 20,000, so you can put here comma also. Here is 1,000. Here also you can put the comma for separating the periods. So that's your choice. You can put comma in the place value also, because here is commas. So in the place value also you can put the comma to separate the periods. Okay. So like this you have to solve all the parts. Here A and B part I have solved. You will solve C and D part also. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Find the sum of the place values of the colored digit. Okay. In each of the following. But I take here only A part. The rest part you will do. Okay. So whatever colored digit you have to find their place value, and then you have to find their sum. Okay. So here is colored is what? 6 and 3. So first you find their place value 6 and 3. So firstly place value of 3. The place value of 3 equals to what? What is the place value of 3? 3 is at which place? At the tens place. So 3 multiply by 10. So it's become 30. Okay. Now next is place value of 6. 6 is at which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So 6 is on lakhs place. So 6 place value of 6 is 6 lakhs. So the place value of 6 equals to 6 multiplied by lakhs. So it's become 6 multiplied by lakhs equals to 6 lakhs. So we can write like this up and down, because we have to find their sum also. Here we have to find sum. There is given that find the sum of place values of colored digit. Means firstly you have to find their place value, and then you have to find their sum. So here we have to find sum also. So now sum. Now we have to do here sum. So sum we will do here. So we will add them. For the sum we will do addition. So 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 0, 3. 0, 0, 0, then 6. So what's your answer? 6 lakhs 30. Okay. So your answer is 6 lakhs 30. So in the last you can write that. Here you can put the plus symbol also. Okay. Now here you can write. So the sum is. So the sum of place values is. What is the sum of place values? 6 lakhs 30. So like this you can. So that's your answer. Okay. So if you want to write this 6 place value on up and this 3 place value on down, so that's also you can do. Okay. It is not necessary that I have done 3 place value up and 6 place value down, so you also do like this. You can change. You can take 6 upside and 3 downside, and then you can put in the columns, and then also you can do addition the same way. You will do addition, and then you should write the sum of place values. So it's B, C, D part you will solve yourself. Okay. Now question number 4. Find the differences of the place values of the colored digit in each of the following. So in question number 3 we are having sum, and in question number 4 we are having differences. Means here you have to do subtract, and in question 3 you have done addition. Okay. So the same process will follow here also. So first we see the A part. Here is given. What's given here? Here is 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. Okay. So what's there? There is 62 lakhs 25,478. Now here's 5 and 8 are colored. So here we will take upside big number. In addition, I told you that anyone you can take up because there is no difference in addition. But in subtraction, we should take big number upside and small number downside. Okay. So big place, the number which is on the big place, that will be up, and the number which is on small place, that will be down. So on the big place there is 5, and 8 is on the small place. 8 is on ones and 5 is on thousand. So firstly we find place value of 5, and then we find place value of 8. But in addition, anyone you can take up, anyone you can take down. There is no difference. Okay, so now place value of 5. So 5 is on thousand place. So 5 multiplied by 1000. So now 5 multiplied by 1000, it's become 5000. Now next is 8 is on ones place. So the place value of 8 is 8 multiplied by 1. So 8 multiplied by 1 is what? 8. So it will be 8. Now here we have to find difference. So for difference what we do? We will do minus. So now difference. We write here difference. Because answer of subtraction is called difference. So difference means we will do minus. So here we will do minus. So we will put here minus symbol. Now 8 we can't subtract from 0. So we will take a borrowing. Next is also 0. Next is also 0. So we will take from 0. There will be 4. Now 10. Now there will be 9. And there is 10. Now there will be 9. And there is 10. Now we can do minus. So 10 minus 8, 2. And there is 9. There is also 9. And there is 4. So what's the difference? 4992. So we write here, so the difference is 4,992. That's your answer. Okay. The same way we should do B part also. In B part there is 6 and 9 are colored. And there is how many digit number? This is 8 digit number. Okay. In A part we are having 7 digit number and this is 8 digit number. So now what's your number? 2,62,84,912. Now you see that 9 and 6 are colored. So 9 is on 100 place and 6 is on 10 lakhs place. That means 6 place value will be big and 9 will be small. So firstly we find place value of 6. So 6 is on 10 lakhs. So place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 10 lakhs. So now 6 multiplied by 10 lakhs is 60 lakhs. Okay. Next is the place value of 9. 9 is on 100 place. So 9 multiplied by 100. So now 9 multiplied by 100 is 900. We will put up and down properly in columns. Then our subtraction will be correct. If we don't put in properly in columns, so our subtraction will be wrong. So firstly, you should properly put up and down. Okay. Now we will do minus. For difference, we will do minus. We write here difference. For difference, we will do minus. So now 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Now we can't subtract 9 from 0. So take borrowing. Next is 0, next is 0, next is 0. So we take from 0. 5. Now there is 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9 and there is 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. And there is 9. There is also 9. There is also 9. And there is 5. Okay. So this is your difference. So what's your difference? Your difference is 59,99,100. Okay. So now we write here. So the difference is is 59,99,100. That's if you want to put comma, you can put comma also to separate the period. Now that's your answer. So like this you will solve this question. So in difference you will take care that big number place value right upside and small number place value downside, and put properly in the column, then your subtraction will be correct. If you can't put here properly, so separately you can take them and then you can do subtraction and then you can write your answer. It is not necessary you have to subtract in front of them. You can firstly you find their place value and then downside you can do minus and then you can write your answer. So both processes correct. It is not necessary you have to do in front of that. Okay. I hope you get it and you will complete your exercise. Thank you.